In this video, I am going to show you how to sell on Wix. So let's see how we can do it. So log into your Wix account. After that, hover over your site and then click on select and edit site. And now from the top, we are going to search for Wix stores. So here it is. So we are going to select it. And after that, we are going to click on add to site. Now click on go to editor. And as you can see that Wix stores are now added to our Wix website. And on the top you will see cart option. Now I will go back to Wix app market and then click on open. Now click on add to site. And as you can see that products page is now added to our website, and now we can easily sell our products. So these are the dummy products that are now available on our website. Now if you want to add your own products to your Wix website, go to your Wix website dashboard and then from the left menu hover over store products and then select products. And these are the dummy products. Now if you want to delete all the products, just click on this checkbox, click on more actions from here and then click on delete, and these products will be deleted. Now if you want to add new products to your website, then click on new product from the top, select physical or digital, give it a title, add your images or videos. After that, add a description, add a pricing for your product, add a inventory and shipping, and then click on save. And in this way your new product will be added to your Wix website. I have also created a detailed video on how to add products to your Wix website, and you will find a link to that video in the I button. So this is how you can sell on Wix. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.